Hello everyone, this is Devalika from PCS Global Pvt. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about life. How you can write down one professional interview, what are the things you need to do in an 18 interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my part. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is very interesting as well as informative also. So, in my previous session, I have talked about is it right to be too nice in an organization? So, what do you think, guys? Kindly go through the video and give me the proper answer in comment box. Okay, right now I'm going to talk about something. In my opinion, being too nice is not very good for your career. And as per the research of other people also, what I have seen in LinkedIn, so I have made this video for you. So right now I'm going to talk about something that how to stop being too nice at work. Okay, so as human beings, it is natural for us to need approval, right? To be seen as a nice, likable person among a large percentage of people, both in your personal and our professional life also. We might not even care about such and such person, but their opinion is somehow important for us. Some people go through great lengths to maintain this facade. Are you one of these people? Are you a pushover? Are you a people pleaser? So, guys, if you are a people pleaser, then what is this? Or how you can change your behavior? Try to understand. So, one of my friends is the most hardworking pleaser person I know. But his colleagues, especially his boss, used to work all over him. To tell us or tell me how angry he was and would often talk of quitting work. His boss would make him work late, ask him to work even on weekends and public holidays. He would have him run the errands for him. Okay, so get him a glass of water, take messages for him on the phone, and when it was his turn for an appraisal, he would say, I can't give you a raise because you are not working hard enough. Maybe next year. He was hurt and almost broke down one day. Others who were hardly competent were being promoted and sent to on-site projects in the US and UK. What I am doing wrong? He asked. I am the one first in the office and the last to leave. Sometimes I will sleep at work. I decided enough was enough and told him he was being too nice at work and that he needed to find the nerve to take his job. I need a proper appraisal and have your office boy with your own thing. It's not my job. Stop being too polite. By this story, I'm trying to give you the idea that stop being too polite. Do you feel most of the work comes your way because your colleagues are not completing the task, time to them? Every time there is an animal, fingers are pointed at you that your colleagues get away with things because they know you won't say what. It's time you stop being so polite, stop being up brown noser. You can still have basic manners and etiquette, but draw a line. If someone is being rude, just take them aside and tell them you cannot talk to me like that. This is unacceptable behavior. They will not repeat it. Try it. It's rebellion. Okay? Stop being a people pleaser. Are you always trying to please those around you? You always end up saying yes, even when you don't want to. Are you afraid you will hurt their feelings? People know it's a pattern. If it gets set in the family, then translates into your friendship and then eventually is established at your workplace. you need to learn to take boundaries. If you can't do something, say no. Or else people can be selfish enough to use you. It's very logical, really. If you put too many things in your mouth, you will not be able to chew and any of it proper. So it's only fair to take less on your plate and do justice to each item. Learn to be assertive. You don't want to be too nice and lose out on opportunity. If you are in a managerial position, you don't want your niceness to make your company make any less money. You don't need to become nasty overnight, but you need to find a midway. You don't want to be that sometimes, right? If there is a way to save yourself too, why not? If at an appraisal you need to tell someone they are underperforming, you might as well say, or else they would never know and continue to be dead weight on your feet. For the fear of displeasing that one person, would you rather bring the entire team down? Don't always avoid concentration. Yes, concentration is uncomfortable, but it has to be done sometimes. If at a team meeting someone comes up with a terrible marketing strategy, you do better to challenge the proposition right away rather than agreeing to follow it and regretting it later. A leaking tap should be tackled immediately rather than waiting for it to the, flood the entire house. Man up. And if it means having to confront this difficult influence, so be it. Be nice and kind by all means. Say thank you when required to say sorry where needed. But don't be a doormat. Stop trying to appease everyone. Because you will be not only be hurting yourself in the process, but also your business. It will also prevent you from achieving your true potential. So, no need to be mean and selfish either. Continue helping others, but out of your own terms, not because you feel cornered. Learn to stand up for yourself because your needs or goals are just as important as anyone else. There is no need for a guilt trip here. Okay, so guys, this is a lesson for you. In today's session, what I have tried to do is being a fresher, if you are doing all those things to make a better position in your company or to make your career great in your company, you need to understand that these things are not going to change. Don't be a people pleaser. Just make a proper career format, execute your work ability, upskill yourself, be a genuine person, prove your quality towards the management, towards your boss, and be a proper genuine person who can help others but can't give them the chance to take the opportunity. Okay, this is it for now, guys. Bye for now. If you find my videos are helpful, then subscribe my channel, to the bell icon, and to comment video. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java DevOps, we are providing the training in Salesforce, and we are providing the training in Lean and Marketing. If you are a candidate who has the potential to work in IT, we are here to help you. If you think that you don't have the potential to work in IT, then also we are here to help you because we are providing you the first platform to start your career through EILP and to learn technologies through EILP. Can communicate with us to get to know more about this process, how you can start to work with us, how you can reflected in our EILP process. What is EILP process? Why people are joining in EILP process? More than 500 plus people are working in our EILP process in several batches. So if you are a candidate, if you have that potential or you are confused about your career, you don't know either you have the potential or not, you can try to get to know about it and you will be the person who can work with the proper guideline after joining this CIAC people. The word from the Mr. side because we are saying more than 500 plus people. They are working in our several projects. Some of them got placed in another university also. Some people are already working with us and they are working very closely. So, can we communicate what with us in this service? For now, and one more thing, our team at the project is also going on. So if you are a candidate who wants to work in our CRAC, you can also join PCS Global. How you can work in our CRAC, how you can join our data science or machine learning and AI, artificial intelligence courses. To know about all these things, can be go to our LinkedIn pages, go to our YouTube channel, and just